Oh, this roof isn't as bad. It must be a better brand roofing. This is a fairly new roof, but it has some broken panels. Has one here in the front, which I think is the south face. And then these are looking good. I got one. So I got one there, 2, 3, 4 broken panels. I guess the roof needs some patching here and there. These are REC panels, 290s. Four broken panels. Looks like this is a string system. This is one of my original installs, and we redid it after they put a new roof on. You're gonna see it cheating. One of my helpers didn't cut off the rail right there. Ah! Oh well, missed that one. I guess there's some hail damage back here. I guess her skylight got nailed. They patched it up. There's about some shingles that are damaged. But I wonder what the insurance will do on this.